Good afternoon. How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing good. Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm great. Your name is Srujitha, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So, where are you from, Srujitha?
I'm from Andhra Pradesh.
Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Introduce yourself.
Okay, my name is Srujita. I'm from Andhra Pradesh. I had completed my graduation in stream of computer science engineering, and my strengths are hard worker, quick learner. My hobbies are gardening, cooking, and dancing. That's it.
All right. So, I'd like to introduce myself also. My name is Anjali, as you must know. And presently, I'm living in Ghaziabad, but my hometown is Bulandshahr city, which is in Uttar Pradesh. Um, and yeah, I right now I'm prepping for my UPSC also. UPSC, you must know, right?
Yeah, yes. The
Yeah.
best.
Along with that, I like my hobbies are like eating and singing all the time, and that's it.
Nice to meet you.
So yeah, thank you so much. I'll ask you a few questions first. Do you want to go with the topic of the day, or should we just talk about some random topic, some general topic?
Uh, go with the given topic, celebrities.
Celebrities. Okay, okay. You wanna talk about celebrities. And second thing I'd like to ask you is, do you want me to correct your mistakes during the session, or just regular feedback?
Yeah, I want feedback also. No problem.
Oh, okay, okay, fine. So let's talk about celebrities. Have you gone through that PDF? Because
Yeah,
I'll be talking some random things generally. It's not compulsory that we are going to talk about that PDF specifically. All right.
okay.
So first of all, I'd like to know who is your favorite actor, Bollywood actor?
Sorry,
Who
Bollywood.
is your Bollywood?
Actually, I'm South Indian, so I know only Tollywood actors.
Oh
So
yes, you
I'm
are South Indian. Yeah. Okay. Who is your favorite Tollywood actor?
Nagarjuna. Do you know Nagarjuna?
Yes, of course I do know. I love him. I like his movies. And the first movie I saw of Nagarjuna was Dawn Number One, I guess, when I was so little.
Yeah.
Have you watched that
Uh,
movie?
yeah, of course. From childhood, I'm a fan of Nagarjuna, and I love to watch his movies. And he is 63 years old, but still looking very handsome and young.
Exactly. Even there is a new movie upcoming. I guess its name is Brahmastra, but it is an Bollywood movie, and there is a bit of role of Nagarjuna also. I heard that. Well, the movie has not been released yet, but there is a role of Nagarjuna, and he was looking so young. Like you just told me, he's 65, right? Yeah,
63.
yeah. Okay. What are the like few qualities you like about him?
uh, he is very energetic. Whenever I saw him in events, he is always simple and energetic, and I admire his personality because being 63 old days, he looks very handsome. So I always admire his personality.
Okay, so you mean you have met him personally, or you have seen him some events?
No, actually, I acted in few serials like Artist before.
Oh my God!
A few months back, I tried to meet him. I went to his shooting spot also, but not possible. I mean, in that time, not possible to meet.
All right, never mind. He will always be a role model, huh? You can meet him anytime you want.
Yeah, sure, definitely.
Yeah. Okay. You must know like few things about Bollywood also, since you are Indian, right? You must know about Bollywood actress and actresses.
Yeah,
What?
Aishwarya Rai
Yeah. Aishwarya Rai,
and Amir Khan. I'm
Amir
fan
Khan,
of Hrithik Roshan.
Hrithik Roshan. Okay, yeah, he's a very great actor. All right.
But
So,
I
yeah.
saw about. I never seen Bollywood movies because I don't know Hindi, but I can feel that songs, Hindi songs.
Okay. So, can you understand Hindi songs?
No, only I like that music or fast beat. I don't know meaning.
Okay. Okay. Well, so, which is your favorite song, like in your own language?
In my own language, name a movie name was Kotta Bangaru Lokam. Uh,
I didn't understand. Well, that's okay. I liked it.
Kotta Bangaru Lokam movie and Nee Prashnalu something. That song was my always favorite and close to my heart. I like that song lyrics.
Okay, well, what I can see is the only common movie which we both have watched is Bahubali.
Bahubali, yeah.
Yeah, I
Yes.
have watched a Hindi version of Bahubali and you have watched Tamil or Telugu. You're from Andhra Pradesh, na? So it must
Yeah,
be in Telugu.
yes.
So, do you like Bahubali movie? Yeah,
Yes, yes, I like Bahubali movie. Actually, I went some shootings because whenever I saw shooting spots or shooting, places, I always observe how the direction is, how the camera angle is. I don't know why, but now I am not enjoying that movie feel because I know that direction angles. I saw so,
exactly, exactly.
so whenever I saw movies or some serials in televisions, I always observe the directed direction angles.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So, like, how long have you been in this career, acting career?
Uh, just 2 or 3 months.
Okay, it's like it's not too long, right? It's not been too long, since you have started this. So
Just
how
one of
come you
just,
thought to, get into this career?
no, actually, that is not my career. I only interested to go on weekends. I have
Okay.
friends in that field, so they helped. They were helping me, and yeah, that's it.
Okay, so you have shoot some serials, right?
Yeah, Telugu serials and 2 or 3 movies not yet released. I think before Corona.
Okay, you have shot for movies also.
Yeah, I have seen. I have
Oh.
acted, but they didn't give any dialogue for me, just for camera.
Yeah, okay. Well, like basically I'm talking to an actress. Huh? Even, it has always been my dream to, go into acting line. Even I like acting and singing as well. But, things are not going as planned. We are just into this education and all, studies and all. And we'll see someday God will help us to,
Yeah,
go into that line.
finally you will achieve
Yeah.
your wish.
Okay, so let's talk about your topic, which is celebrities. So, like we all know that celebrities live a very good, luxurious life, and even we also admire that life. We also would want to live that way someday, right? We also adore them. But what are the qualities that you don't like about a life of celebrity? What do you find negative in that scenario? Like, what is it that you don't want to in your life as a celebrity?
Yeah, actually, being celebrity is not at all easy.
Exactly.
Background there is a lot of hard work because I went one of the shoot Telugu movie Hero. In that time, I feel very shocked because they are doing very rare risk hard work, bike racing. So I saw bike racing shooting. So not at all easy job. uh, of course, they deserve luxurious life, but
Exactly.
uh, some actors need some luck, some support from big actors. Um, yeah, being a common man went to celebrity status is not at all easy, I think.
Yeah, exactly. But Srujita, what I asked is that what are the things that you don't want in a life of celebrity?
I didn't get correct meaning.
For example, if you were a celebrity, right? So, what were the things that you wouldn't want in your life?
Um,
Like
want.
media, it
Uh,
never let anything private.
yes. Yeah, celebrity life is almost
Open.
open. Yes, we already seen so many celebrities' lives on social media. It gives more positivity at the same time negativity also. Recently, many situations happened in celebrities like Samantha or Naga Chaitanya, like that. Being a celebrity, I have one point. Being a celebrity had some lot of responsibility on society because they are giving a lot of messages in their movies, but not you know not standard with that message. They are not. I mean, I don't know how to say. Mm, I mean, they are not. Uh, Sorry, I didn't get that one word. Yeah, they giving lot of messages, but they are not standard their decisions on real life. The
Okay,
one,
you mean they are just making promises, but they are not executing
yeah,
them. Do you mean that? Okay, can get married to a man of another land, another country. It's okay, fine, right?
yeah, it's okay, fine.
If you find your love in another country, then it's okay.
But not possible for all of us. It's a very rare thing, and luck maybe. I have one sister. I mean, she is my friend. I'm a YouTuber. I know one of the
Oh,
YouTuber. Yeah, she is Indian and married. I mean, Egypt guy.
oh my
So
God.
now she is settled in Egypt, and she have a kid, a 10 years old girl. So yeah, I think it's a different destiny and luck.
Yeah, exactly. We have to go for what destiny has, written. So, yeah, well, let's talk about feedback. Everything is good, Srujita. I don't know why have you taken this class, but everything is so good, so perfect. It's just that, you need to work on your vocabulary. Vocabulary part is a little weaker. Yeah, you don't remember the words, that is that is you need to work on. And second thing, I guess would be there is a bit difference between the past and future tense. And
Yeah.
yeah, overall your conversation was good and your confidence is also very very strong. Yeah, as a girl, like I liked your confidence, well, because confidence is all that we need while speaking English. Because many people think that, oh, what if we speak anything wrong? What if we talk it in a wrong way? So we don't have to think about that. It's just that we have to talk. That's it. Whether it's wrong or right, we have to talk. We have to make
Yes.
everyone understand. That's it. We are not teaching anyone English here. We are just trying to communicate. So that is in you. Congratulations, that is in you. That confidence is there in you. So all you need to do is work on vocabulary. And it was really nice
Sure.
talking to you. Thank you so much for having me.